Hi guys, Dave Anderson here, Helicool's Helipad. You see by the door is open that we're going to be doing some more work inside the cab. But this part is going to bring us even outside the cab. It is all about outside the cab. And when I say that, I mean it's about visibility outside the cab, especially in the back. It's all about a camera system that I'm going to install. You guys stay tuned. This video is sponsored by Dr. Isa, and my hat's off to anyone who gets their doctorate degree, coming from a guy that just has a master's degree. What kind of pain you must have went through to get that doctorate degree, I can only imagine. And also it is co-sponsored by Trent Blaine. Thank you so much for Dr. Isa and Trent Blaine for sponsoring this project. So this is the place where I'm going to start. And I received this nice little unit here from Sean Filner, probably a year ago. It's been like on my list to do. I'm going to show you how it's wired. Everything is wired in series. So if this one has power, this one supplies power to the next one, to the next one, to the next one, to the next one, and so on. With the camera system, I can go 12 or 24 volt. And I think since I have 24 volt right there, I'm going to put 24 volt to this switch to run the camera system, and all the rest of these will be on 12. Now, naturally, I'm going to build a box around this and probably mount this something like that. I got a nice small little TV that's about the same size as this, so I don't lose any visibility over the dash. That was really important to me not to lose any, and I think this is going to fit that requirement. Stowage, cab lights, tactical lights. I've been a little busy. I didn't show it on camera because, hey, I'm just moving the system. Not a big deal, guys. The camera system that I got is not a cheapy one. It's $200. Got it on Amazon. And of course, the link is in the description. Jacob has decided to help model this. It even comes with a remote control. It is not wireless. I wanted to have some wired features, and it made it just a little bit cheaper. It does come with this detachable part that I can build a box with, stick this in the box, that just slaps right into it, holds in there really nice. I am not going to use this. However, I do believe that it will work as a camera mount, so I can have a dash mounted camera mount in there. Bonus! So this comes with two side mounted cameras. These are not the side mounted cameras pictured, but this is a backup, and I'm probably going to use the other one to look straight off the front bumper, so that I have better visibility all around the vehicle. So in my estimation, first thing is I need to build a nice little box to house all of this stuff in. That whole 6-gang block of switches alongside the monitor for the cameras. Now then, this is not a video about CAD, that is cardboard assisted design. This is a video of what I am going to be doing. So this is my new console that I made. I think that's going to maintain quite a lot of visibility still. It is taking away just a little bit, but not too bad. Of course, that's awesome. Please do so. I think it would also be cool to have, the camera mounted, or have a camera mount somewhere up in here. I think that would be really cool too. What do you think of my design? Put it in the comments.
A few moments later.
Well, here it is, guys, top and bottom. Mike Moffat was telling me that, man, I don't know how you get the things done that you get done, where you get them done. And I'm like, dude, I know. I just need a Saudi Arabian prince or something like that to come along and just say, that guy is funny. I want to support him.
I'm certainly liking that.
All right, here we go. Got a little inset piece here so that the camera actually attaches to that. I don't know, it's looking pretty dang good.
Why, Mr. Anderson? Why? Why do you persist?
By the looks of things, we're under a slight snow delay, so I won't be able to put the cameras on the outside of the rig quite yet, and maybe not for several days. But that's not going to stop us from doing the things we need to inside the cab. Let's go. Now that I got the switches all hooked back up and everything is ready to go, time to start working on that camera system finally. Well, I've gone about as far as I can go today. Weather is just not cooperating, so you know what? It's looking pretty doggone cool. I'm really super happy about how this console turned out. I just cannot wait to get the rest of the wiring done, get those cameras in, and fire this guy up. That is going to be sweet. Well, hey guys, it looks like this is gonna have to be a to be continued. I mean, we've got 8 inches right now. We're expecting another 8 inches tonight. It is just not cooperating. And you know, here in Western Washington, we're just not used to this kind of stuff, and I can hardly work on the outdoor camera system while this is going on. So this will be a to be continued. I know it's short, but you know what, weather permitting, I just can't finish it. Hey, for Dr. Issa and Trent Blaine, thanks so much for sponsoring this video. We'll pick this up again next time. Until next time, guys, I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe out there, and God bless.